Hello, in this video I want to show you all connection methods and a setup for SteelSeries Aerox 5 wireless. And to do this, let's start with the most simple way, and it's just by USB-C cable. So you just need to connect USB to your PC and then USB-C end to your mouse, and now your mouse should be fully functional. Then next method is to connect the dongle, and this mouse comes with two different things. So there's a dongle that we can connect to our PC and also this extension thing. So now if you have USB-C end on your PC, then you can freely connect it and it should work fine. But if not, then connect the USB-C receiver to this transfer right here, and then take the USB-C cable and also connect it to this dongle. Now place it as close to your mouse as possible, and then switch the power to 2.4 on your mouse underneath, and your mouse should be functional. And the last available method we have is Bluetooth. So switch to the Bluetooth side on your mouse, and then open the Bluetooth settings on your PC. Then click on Add Bluetooth or other devices, Bluetooth, and then if you have Bluetooth connected to your PC, you should find your mouse and you'll be able to connect it right here. In this case, I don't have it, but it's pretty much straightforward. Now, next thing I would do is download SteelSeries GG software on your PC. And here you'll be able to customize your mouse even further. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.